Hey guys, welcome to the Comic Cycle Presents Let's Chit Chat, and today we have the multi-talented Arjun Bijlani with us. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay, I'm doing good.
You shouldn't have done that, you know.
टीवी में हम देखते हैं कि कोई मक्खी बन रहा है.
You're asking a guy who's done Nagin.
So you started your career in 2004, and it's 2020 now. So what has changed in the process making people?
People say I haven't changed, which is a great thing.
So you're the same.
I'm the same, yeah. As far as the industry goes, I think earlier there were only two mediums, like there was TV
Right.
and there were films, and now we have
More options.
Yeah, we have
to
more
explore.
options. Even now shows, they are using better cameras.
Right.
Yes, one thing is not changed is daily soaps. The Saas Bahu sagas haven't changed.
How do you see this? TV में हम देखते हैं कि कोई मक्खी बन रहा है, कोई कुछ बन रहा है. The VFX are
You're
in
asking a
different
guy who's
manners.
done Nagin.
I just want to
No,
know.
but
if-
I see.
Yeah.
As long as I'm totally against the makhi part of it because I'll tell you why.
Right.
See, Nagin, why I think it's okay is because we are telling people that it's a fantasy fiction.
Right.
Okay, we are
Then
not
it makes
telling.
sense.
Yeah, we are not telling people it's real or there is somebody who
Right.
becomes a Nagin, in real life.
And when you're making a normal
Yeah,
person-
when you're making a normal show, and then in that show somebody's turning a makhi, that's crazy.
Right.
I mean, yeah, but I guess kids
That doesn't
watch
make
it and they
sense at
like
all.
it. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to me.
Recently, unfortunately, we lost Kushal Punjabi, and then when you talked about depression.
Yeah.
So in a generation of social media, everybody's alone, kind of. What do you have to say about depression and
I
these
think
stuff?
in our industry, everyone's in this race where they want to achieve something, they want to be popular, they want to take care of their family, and a lot of people come from wealthy families. A lot of people come from middle class families, but a lot of people come from lower middle class
class families,
families.
right.
Mumbai is a very expensive city.
It is.
And it's very difficult for anybody, even the middle class, to kind of maintain the kind of lifestyle,
Right.
as an actor, or even when you're struggling, you have to pay your rent, you have to
Look after everything.
Everything. So I think depression हो जाता है लोगों को. And the problem with actors is, मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा depression उन लोगों को होता है जो एक success देख चुके हैं.
And then they
They
don't
fall
get
down.
things right.
देखो, otherwise तो struggle ही चल रही है ना. And as an actor मुझे लगता है कि इंसान बड़ा catch-22 situation में रहता है. वो किसी को बोल भी नहीं सकता है. उसको लगता है कि थोड़े बहुत जो chances होंगे वो भी खत्म हो जाएंगे.
खत्म हो
People are going to judge me.
Right,
They are going to think यार मैं अगर अपने आप का ध्यान नहीं रख पा रहा हूँ तो मैं किसी शो को क्या करूंगा या किसी फिल्म को क्या करूंगा.
That pressure is there.
हाँ, प्रेशर्स है. फिर पर्सनल प्रेशर्स लोगों को बहुत होते हैं. किसी का रिलेशनशिप के वजह से लोग डिप्रेस्ड होते हैं. कभी-कभी there are so many
things to get depressed about.
Yeah, depressed about. And the problem in India is that mental health is not given so much importance.
Yeah, when you go to a psychiatrist,
Yeah.
people take it that पागल हो गया.
हाँ, मतलब पहले तो लोग जिम भी नहीं जाते थे, फिटनेस को भी इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया
ध्यान
जाता,
नहीं।
लेकिन आज इतने जिम खुल गए हैं, पान वाले से ज्यादा आपको जिम दिखते हैं, which is a good thing.
Right.
But what about mental health? उतने अगर मैं आप में से किसी को भी यहाँ पूछूं, आपका इतना क्रू है कि आपके पास किसी साइकेट्रिस्ट का नंबर है तो आपके पास होगा नहीं.
Luckily,
Yeah, I mean, in terms of what I mean to say is
Yeah.
people don't have access, and even if they have it, they don't want to call and start talking about their problems.
Right.
They think it's just not the culture here. And
culture.
people have वो कहते हैं ना सहनशीलता and
बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं, सह लेते हैं.
But it's a problem, and then you reach a point and a time in life when you might do something really wrong or stupid. And it's
Better
very
to
sad. Yeah. So I think
solve
people
this.
should now talk about it.
Also, you see, पहले चीजें सिर्फ Facebook तक थी. Now you see Instagram, then TikTok. All my cousins and all small kids, they're using it like anything. So how do you see that where Instagram and TikTok, where is this going?
I think it's more and more platforms are going to come. You know, it's a digital age that you are living in, but I think people are getting carried away in
Right,
terms of everybody wants to become famous very fast. You know, I've been there for the longest time. now.
Longest time.
मुझे भी बहुत वक्त लगा, you know, to
be
reach
here, to be here.
where I am. आज मतलब लोग 25 वीडियो बना लेते हैं and they
And
have
they-
millions and
right.
millions of followers and it's instant fame. And then they shoot and they reach a certain point, which is great. And if that gets them going, good. But आप सोचो वो रेशियो क्या होगा. अगर 1000 लोग मान लो टिकटॉक बना रहे हैं तो 2 शायद उस लेवल पे पहुंचे, लेकिन जो 998 है
Right.
वो फिर वही हो जाएगा कि अरे मेरा क्यों नहीं हुआ, उसका हुआ, मेरा क्यों नहीं हुआ. People should understand that success is not easy and you might get instant fame, but if you want to stabilize yourself
And sustain,
you got to work on yourself. It takes time. You got to do the right things.
Also, you have recently done a music album. I think that's your first.
Kendi Rano. It's crossed 5 million now. You know, in just like 3-4 days.
And you're
which is
looking
great.
ravishing with that maroon jacket and that all stud thing happening, just walking around.
Yeah, I think 2020. I just needed to tell people, listen, I'm still young. Yeah, so it's a great song sung by Sukriti and Prakriti Kakkar, and I think they're young and talented, and they've got a great voice, and they're very sweet and friendly, and they're very today's girls.
Urban
and they're
girls.
like like the vibe and stuff. They talk like that.
Okay.
It's quite cool.
Also, we keep on checking your Instagram and Facebook and stuff. You travel a lot.
Yeah.
So what kind are you like? Do you love traveling and what?
I
Kind
mean,
of
who
travel?
doesn't love traveling?
Yeah.
Everybody loves traveling. And
So you are like, which kind of traveler are you? Like backpacker, or you like to plan and then?
You know, I always wanted to be a backpacker, but right now, when I pack my bag, usually Neha packs my bags now,
Yeah.
and we have like 3 bags going every time together. But I want to do
that's
this
solo
solo trip with friends or just
Yeah.
or just 2-3 friends, and you know, I think that'll be a great experience.
You want
It's
to
been a
explore
while
that.
I've gone out with friends out of the country.
With bachelors, shit and all.
Not bachelor shit. Bachelors is never shit. You know? It's great.
So you also said once that you want to work 365 days. And we see you always everywhere and doing, you know, working and working. How do you, you know,
यार
do
जब
it?
बीच में ना एक टाइम था जब काम नहीं था, तो मैं हमेशा भगवान को बोलता था, भगवान मुझे इतना काम देना कि मैं बहुत बिजी रहूं,
फिर बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से
बहुत बिजी रहूं. तो for 7 years I was like working like almost like 27-28 days in a month, you know, because when you do TV obviously
Right,
इतना
daily
टाइम
show.
तो लग ही जाता है, and the other days there was something or the other, कोई event हो गया, कोई कुछ हो गया. So yes, God has been kind, and I've also मतलब काम करते करते कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जब बहुत ज्यादा काम होता है तो इंसान कहता है यार मुझे तो छुट्टी नहीं मिलती, मुझे तो. So but I have never cribbed about it. Whenever
Okay,
I have
you're
work,
fine and
I'm
okay with
happy, I'm very content. मुझे लगता है कि काम है तो सब कुछ होता है, रिस्पेक्ट भी होती है, you're engaged also. I think an empty mind
Life is aligned.
is a devil's workshop. And right now it's been like 6 months that I'm kind of not doing anything back to back, but still something or the other is happening.
Right. Also, you have done TV, you have done a lot of things, and you're doing a web series. How different is the craft of web series and television?
I
According
think
to you,
I
how
think the
you see
canvas is very different. This is digital, that is TV, that's you know, here you have to subscribe for things. There is just available to you.
Yeah.
Having said that, I think TV, it's an everyday thing, you know. रोज एपिसोड आना है, हर हफ्ते TRP के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि स्टोरी कहाँ जाएगी, कहाँ नहीं जाएगी, भगवान ही जाने की कहाँ जाएगी. सो कई बार ऐसा होता था पहले कि वी यूज्ड टू लाइक बी ऑन सेट, अच्छा एक हफ्ते में ये स्टोरी चली, फिर सडनली कुछ डिसाइड हुआ
Let's
तो हम
change
स्क्रिप्ट, हाँ नहीं हम स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहे हैं, बिकॉज स्क्रिप्ट कभी कभी लेट ही आती थी तो सेट पे पढ़े, अच्छा अब ये हो रहा है क्या, ऐसा हो रहा
I also
है,
didn't
अच्छा
know.
वो मर रहा है क्या, like you know, it's crazy. But here what I like is that there are definite stories, a limited number of episodes, so the quality is much better. Film directors are usually directing web series and the good ones, and it's a lot of web series. I think
I think liberty is also a lot. You can do a lot of things
Yeah.
in web series which you can't do in
I
television.
mean, अभी एक स्टोरी जो 8 एपिसोड में आप बता रहे हो, टीवी पे वही 800 एपिसोड में बताई जाएगी. I mean, मुद्दा वही होगा, एक लड़की 50 बार किडनैप होगी, 50 बार उसको हीरो बचाएगा. And you know, I mean, people don't realize कि 1 साल हो जाता है and वापस वो वही देख रहे होते, लेकिन उनको समझ में नहीं आता कि वो वही देख रहे हैं. Because short live है ना, memory short live है. अभी 1 साल पहले का कौन याद रखता है क्या था? A few fans do remember, but otherwise वही चलता रहता है, and it's a process. And because you love your characters so much, it just goes on.
So Arjun, now we'll play the fun session which is called Never Have I Ever.
Never have I ever.
Ever, right? Or you're like
I wish I'm
खुली
honest.
किताब.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
wish I'll be as honest as I can.
Never have I ever checked my partner's phone. You have?
Yeah, of course I have.
You still do?
Sometimes ऐसे ही मन करता है check करने.
क्या हो रहा है? क्या चल रहा है?
नहीं ऐसे नहीं यार, ऐसे ही time pass.
Never have I ever dated 2 person at the same time. When you were single and backless.
ये
You have
risk,
never?
ये
Same
बहुत
risk.
risky.
So you have never tried.
No, you said whether I have or no. Tried की बात नहीं की थी आपने.
Okay,
That's a
you
separate
did-
question.
you did try.
That's a separate question.
Never have I ever got an offer for casting couch. Okay.
Of course I have.
Yeah.
I mean, I think most of them have, yeah. And मतलब आज से when I started off and all, तो तब तो बहुत होता था और बहुत
फिर गूगल
मतलब
वगैरह भी नहीं था कि हम चेक कर लेते किसके पास जा रहे हैं.
लड़के ही ज्यादा ऐसे
Yeah.
मतलब खतरनाक से बिहेव करते थे. And but I think अभी I think it's much lesser.
Yeah. Nowadays,
I'm not
तो
saying it's
people are-
gone away.
Right.
Must be happening behind closed doors. But it's I think it exists. Yeah. I mean कभी कुछ लोगों से बात होती है तो वो कहते हैं exist करता है. अब मेरे साथ
But you
तो-
have also experienced.
Yeah, I have experienced it long time.
Long
back.
time.
Yeah.
Never have I ever misbehaved with my fans.
I have never.
Never. Or if
And I will
someone is
never
really
do.
behind you and
Even then, I mean, I remember सब लोग मुझे बोलते थे अर्जुन ऐसे जब फोटोज खींचना होता है ना ऐसे चलते जाना होता है. And I has to like stand and click pictures. जितने भी लोग आते थे तो अगर 100 लोग हैं तो मैं सबके साथ वेट करता था और सब मुझे मेरे मैनेजर्स बोलते चलते रहना चाहिए. Like but he'll
Don't
feel
be
bad कि
humble
मैंने
and
उसको
all.
दिया. He'll feel bad कि she'll feel bad कि मैंने उसको
Yeah,
दिया.
yeah.
और ऐसा होता है.
Yeah, of
And but having said that, I mean आप कब तक ऐसे करोगे मतलब you have
and
to
you
kind
can't
of
make everybody happy
yeah
also.
yeah and it's but my apologies but I make it a point कि जितना हो सके मैं
do.
करता हूँ.
Never have I ever used Tinder.
I have not used it. मतलब मैं
I
जब आया
never.
था I have in the sense जब आया था वो मतलब I just went and checked it but I have not used. Obviously I can't use
Yeah,
it
you
because
cannot, right.
अभी सबको पता होता है कि
Right.
अगर मैंने यूज किया है तो. But I was
have
very
just
curious to know कि ये
Downloaded
क्या
the
होता
app
है.
and just checked out.
Yeah, checked it
explored
and then I just left it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never have I ever tried drugs. People have. Okay.
इतना
we
गोल
got it.
क्वेश्चन है इसको गोल ही घुमाते रहना चाहिए.
We got it.
ये गोल घुमाता रहना चाहिए.
Never have I ever done a drunk call to my ex. You have?
Yeah, I think everybody does once in a while.
Yeah, they get emotional and all.
याद आ जाती
They want
है.
to clear things. Middle of the night.
You
they're like-
shouldn't have done that,
Never have I ever smooched in public.
Not smooth, but I've
Yeah,
like pecked on the cheek. I mean, on the lips.
you have.
Yeah, I have.
You have.
Fine. ऐसे बोल रही I have जैसे गुनाह किया है. Have you?
No, never.
Never?
Never. I've never, but the guy did.
Okay. You never, but the guy did. So
No, he came and he did it. I was like,
you moved back, or it happened and
it was embarrassing.
one-sided.
For me.
You mean?
Not one-sided, but it was embarrassing for me. All of a sudden, he just came and
So it happened to you.
yes,
mean.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It happened to me too. Not that way, me too. I mean, me too.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Such a hot topic it was. Me too.
Yeah, it's no, I don't think it was a hot topic. I think it was a very sensitive.
Hot isn't like it was
Yeah, sensitive,
everywhere.
yeah, and it was a very sensitive.
Never have I ever made out with someone double of my age. That counts even 11. Okay. At least.
Double?
No,
Like,
10
if I'm
counts.
35, then 70. Are you serious?
10 counts. 10, 20, 15 counts.
नो
याद कर सकते हो.
नो
No.
याद क्यों करूं जब पता होता है ना ये चीजें यार, ऐसे जबरदस्ती याद करूंगे. हाँ.
So it was really amazing playing with you.
अरे मुझे लगा और कोई डेंजरस क्वेश्चंस नहीं है आपके पास.
नहीं.
थैंक गॉड. Hi, this is Arjun Bijlani and you're watching me on Let's Chit Chat with Mehreen Khan.